it took me about 2.5 hours to get to this point where I pretty much cleaned a lot of the stuff away, a lot of the mess. Although there's still lots of stuff, I did clean a lot. I moved stuff around. My feet are tired. So, I at least put a dent in it. You know, put the beach towels right here. I washed the blankets and the sheets and stuff, and then I put stuff in here. Of course, this is a mess. But I'll get to this a little bit later. But dust. Put my jeans over here. These are for work. And so other than that, it's a bit of an improvement than what it was about 2.5 hours ago. It's still a mess, but it's better. Now I'm gonna have some dinner, and talk to you guys a little later.